up? Welcome back to my channel, you all. So the first thing you guys might have noticed is my hairstyle. A lot has changed. My bangs, for instance, are not there anymore. I mean, they're still there, but they're like grown really taller, so I just put them to the side. And another thing, I got rid of my green hair. Actually, I got rid of them in my last video as well, but I didn't show my hair or my face in that one, so you guys didn't know about it. In case you don't follow me on Instagram, like if you follow me on Instagram, you know. Anyway, that is enough about the hair. We have a lot of interesting stuff to talk about that is already pretty evident from the title of the video. I am gonna be doing like a little glow up video. Like, I can't assure you if I'm gonna have a glow up. It's gonna be more like a self-care video, and the occasion for which I'm doing this is that I am going to Goa. So 2 days from now I have a train from Pune. This trip was such a long overdue. I mean, we were supposed to go last year around March, but we couldn't, and I don't need to tell you guys why, you guys know. So I'm super duper excited. I can't wait, honestly. So today I'm gonna try to take care of myself a little bit, try to glow up a bit for the trip. These days I have been drinking water a lot because water is like really important, and I felt like I wasn't drinking enough water. I don't think there was like a point I wasn't even drinking like 3 to 4 glasses every day, which is insane. And now I've started drinking 8 glasses at least, so that is also part of the glow up. So yeah, between this video I'm casually just gonna keep on sipping on my waters. So the first step in the glow up is skincare, because of course all of the self-care videos literally start with skincare. And after that we're gonna do our hair care, and after hair I think we're gonna do some workout today as well. It has been so long since I have worked out, and we're also gonna have healthy food today because we're trying to glow up, so we're not gonna eat junk food. So that is the plan. Let's start with skincare. So first of all, I'm gonna go to the bathroom and wash my face, and then I'm gonna come back and meet you guys right here. So guys, I just washed my face right now, got all my makeup off. So now we're gonna go and put on a face mask. So yeah, let's do that. First of all, I'm gonna put my hair back, and this scrunchie actually is like a DIY. My mom made this herself. It's actually really cute. She has been making like these mini like tutorials on her like Facebook, so you guys can check out her Facebook for such like smaller like sewing videos and stuff. They're like really quick like and satisfying to watch actually, so you guys can check them out. I'll link it in the description box. I can't really do anything about my bangs. They're just gonna keep on hanging like this, and it looks really weird. So I'm just gonna like try to tuck it behind my ears, but it's not gonna work. Anyways, so I'm gonna apply this face mask from Mama Earth. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this onto my face. Alright, so all done. I got a little bit of it on my hair as well, but it's fine. I'm just gonna let this stay on for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna wash this off. Maybe we can listen to some music, or we could drink a glass of water first of all. Yeah, I forgot. I keep on drinking water a lot these days. And then we're gonna relax for some time, and then we're gonna wash this off. Also, I just realized my nails have been looking really bad. I mean, I put on white nail polish and now it has been like chipping off, so it's not looking good. So I'm also gonna do my nails today. I'm just gonna, nothing fancy. I don't do much of nail art because I'm not really good at it.
Missing someone, is as normal. Missing someone, and missing someone.
I absolutely hate the smell of this nail paint. Alright guys, so I feel like this is all dried up. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and quickly wash this off, and then I'm gonna meet you guys again, and then we're gonna move on to some hair care. So yeah.
Later.
Alright guys, all done. Now I guess we can move on to the next step, that is hair care. So for hair, I guess I'm gonna do another mask. We're done with skincare, and I think up next we can do hair. So for hair as well, I am gonna do a hair mask again, and the one I'm using is from Mama Earth again. This is their Bring Amla hair mask. This is what it looks like, and as the name suggests, it is made up of time-tested ingredients like Bringraj and Amla. I'm just gonna open this up, and it smells so good. It has like such a natural smell to it. Absolutely love it. And this is what it looks like. It has like a light green tint to it. So it combines the best of Ayurveda with the convenience of a hair mask, and it has been made by following the traditional Shirpak Vidhi. Alright, so I just wet my hair a little bit, guys, and you know, I've just parted it like midway into 2 sections, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. So I'm just gonna take a generous amount on my fingers and I'm gonna apply it onto my hair and scalp. Alright, so I applied the hair mask. I'm now waiting for it for like 10 to 15 minutes, I guess. And in the meantime, I guess we can listen to some music again. So let's go.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, so I am finally done with the hair mask. I just washed it off. As you can see, it's like all wet right now, and let me just say, I absolutely freaking love this. My hair feels so soft right now and super silky. I mean, I just wish you guys could touch it. I would absolutely recommend this to you guys. Like, I just can't get over it. I've been like touching my hair ever since I got out of the bathroom. It's just so amazing. And also, you don't have to worry about a hair type because this hair mask is like suitable for literally all hair types. And again, like all Mamaearth products, it is chemical free and dermatologically tested. Plus, they're also plastic positive brand, and every single time you guys buy from them, they're gonna link your order to this particular tree that they're gonna be planting, and it's like geolocation, species, everything will be sent to you. And you guys can check it out on Amazon, Purple, Nykaa. You can also find it on Mamaearth's website, mamaearth.in, and if you buy it over there, don't forget to use my code Lavanya2021 in order to get a 20% discount. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Absolutely love this hair mask. And yeah, now with that, we are done with the hair, and I guess we can move out to some workout and some like healthy eating next. Hey guys, what's up? So I am in my drawing room right now. So I think I'm just gonna do some basic like exercises. I've been like learning Itzy's wannabe dance choreography, and it is so freaking difficult. It took me, I don't know, like 2-3 weeks to learn it. But yeah, I finally got it. So I'm just gonna go and do that once, and then we are gonna get to some exercises. So yeah.
For me and for you, but I'm still stuck on you. I'm still falling for you, for you.
I am on my dining table right now, and why is it like so sunny outside? I'm just gonna close this. I think it's better now. So I'm on my dining table right now, and Coco is sitting right beside me. Coco-chan. Call him Coco-chan for some reason. I think it sounds cute. Bas Coco, itna answer kafi. Thank you. Anyway, so that was like a little Coco session. I am having my food right now. Basically, what I'm having is fruits because as we are, you know, glowing up today, kind of doing self-care, we are gonna eat healthy. So I'm gonna eat fruits. I usually like never eat fruits, hardly ever, except for mangoes, because mangoes are like my favorite fruit, so I always eat them. But other fruits, not really. Banana, some oranges, and my favorite fruit, strawberry, is like not my ultimate favorite, but it's like one of my favorites. So I'm just gonna go ahead and have these fruits. I know Coco is like so restless right now. You wanna have this?